Hey, what is up guys? Kamusta na kayo lahat? I hope you're doing fine this pandemic days. But for today, magsaya naman tayo. May bago tayong keyboard. Ito ang WOMIER K66 from BANGGOOD. Shoutout nga pala kay BANGGOOD for providing this keyboard for this review. So for today, ngayon lang ulit ako magre-review ng keyboard sa katagalan ng panahon. So I'm very excited about this keyboard. Just look at this keyboard. It's very vibrant, very bright, very colorful, and I'm really impressed by its presentation. Maganda yung presentation niya, and this is one of a kind, no? Kung titingnan nyo, bibihira lang yung ganitong itsura sa market. Very saturated na ang market ng keyboard, at yung iba doon para magkakamukha lang. But this, kung gusto niyo ng different feel, kung gusto niyo kakaiba, or kung mahilig kayo sa RGB, clean, very simple, the way it showcase itself is one of a kind in my opinion. So, simulan naman natin sa box na ito, no? Yung box niya is very simple lang, white box, with the specs here. Meron din siyang kasamang USB cable na 1.8 meters, very standard. At Type-C nga pala yan. At ayun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya is Type-C na siya, so removable. So, pwede niyong palitan. Though kasi yung cable na kasama niya is very basic lang, rubber lang siya. So in due time, baka pwedeng masira yon at madali niyong mapapalitan. At meron lang siyang 580 grams, so relatively half a kilo. Magaan yun for a mechanical keyboard. And kaya siya magaan kasi yung body niya is made out of plastic lang. Yun lang yung downside. Nakagamit na kasi ako ng mga keyboard na na metal body, and it's very sturdy at it will for sure tatagal. But this one, I'm not so sure about its quality, yung base niya. Pero nasa paggamit naman niya ng tao eh. So pag maingat kayo, hindi agad-agad ito masisira. At nga pala, yung keys na pinili ko is yung Gateron Browns. Meron kayong choices, Gateron Reds, Gateron Blacks, and Blue. Kung gusto niyo ng tactile and clicky, doon kayo sa blue. But this one, I prefer much tactile. Brown kasi siya eh, so tactile siya, but not as loud as the blue switch. So mamaya magkakaroon tayo ng showcase ko yung different lighting effects niya, at meron din tayong sound test ng Gateron Browns. Yun, simulan naman natin sa mga features nitong keyboard. Meron siyang 66 keys, kaya K66. Wala siyang function keys and numpad. So very compact siya, no? Yun yung isa sa ko ng mga nagustuhan. Ayoko na yung may mga numpads. Though, kung TKL, pwede pa. Or merong yung ganito, yung arrow dito. This is important to me. At yung function key niya, hindi siya kasama. Walang dedicated na function keys to. So, gagamitin niyo is yung 1 to 0 na keys dito sa taas. So, yun lang. And, wala rin siyang, of course, numpad. Wala rin siyang numpad. Kung kailangan nyo ng numpad, this is not the one for you. At yung keycaps na ginamit pala nila dito is ABS na laser etch. So in due time, mag-fade to. Hindi siya kagaya ng PBT na hindi nabubura kahit gaano katagal. So ito yung pinaka cheapest way to bring down the cost of the keyboard, is yung keycaps nito is yung laser etch lang. So kung may plan kayo to upgrade sa future, kasi ano naman to eh, very yung stem niya is basic lang naman. So any keycaps na mabibili niyo sa Shopee or Lazada, sure pasok dito. But make sure na para ma-maximize niyo yung pagka-RGB niya, since ito may transparent na keycaps para mag-illuminate through the keycaps yung yung RGB. Kasi sayang naman kung bibili kayo ng makapal na keycaps, as matatakpan lang yung colors dito. Sayang naman, di ba? Pero kayo pa rin yan, decision yan. So anyway, ano pa ba? Meron lang akong konting minor, hindi naman complain, no? Pero nagtataka lang ako. Kasi nung tinitwist ko siya, kasi tinitry ko yung build quality niya, no? Meron siyang creaking sound. Naririnig niyo? So, nung una parang nagtaka ako, bakit nagki-creak yung sound niya? At nalaman ko lang dahil yung sa likod niya, pag titingnan nyo rito, May mga screws siya rito, maraming screws. Exposed siya. At ito, meron siyang tatlong layer dito. I'm not sure kung nahihiwalay ito or hindi. May tatlong layer siya dito ng plastic. Siguro nagkikis-kisan yung plastic pag tinitwist nyo. I'm not sure about that. Don't quote me on that. At yun lang, exposed yung screws, which I don't mind. Pero kasi nasa ilalim naman to eh. At hindi lang adjustable yung likod niya, no? Yung height niya, yung height adjustment, wala. Pag nilapag nyo to, yun na yun. So, kasi ako sanay ako ng ganito. Yung inaangat ko yung likod para yung kamay ko nakaangat ng konting ganyan. So, nasanay na lang din ako after over a week of use. So, hindi na nag-matter yun at very satisfied naman ako sa typing experience niya. So, yun lang naman. Ito yung USB niya dito sa likod. Nandito, exposed din to, no? Iwasan nyo lang mabasa to. Of course, hindi siya waterproof. May dalawa na ata akong keyboard na nasira dahil natapunan ng coke, ng tubig. So, suggest ko lang sa inyo, avoid doing that para hindi masayang yung keyboard nyo. So guys, for now, i-test muna natin yung different lighting modes niya. May separate controls yung lighting modes ng mga keys at meron din separate lighting modes yung dito sa outer layer, yung sa case niya. So I'll show you. Ang gagawin nyo lang is yung FN control. Dito, yung right control, FN control, right control para makontrol nyo yung lights ng mga keycaps. So i-cycle lang natin. Different lighting modes ng keycaps. So yun yung different lighting modes ng keycaps. Proceed naman tayo sa lighting modes ng casing. So left naman ang gagamitin natin control. At yung brightness nung lighting, pwede nyo i-adjust using FN, insert and delete dito. Gusto nyo patayin, gusto nyo liwanagan. So guys, proceed naman tayo sa sound test. Remember, Gateron Browns ang gamit natin. So that concludes my review about this keyboard. I'm very impressed by this keyboard, and given by its price na around 2,800 pesos, you can check out the updated price in the link down below. So if ever gusto nyong mag-purchase sa BANGGOOD, meron akong nilink nga doon na coupon code that you can use or a voucher code para maka-avail kayo ng discount. I'm very impressed by this keyboard. Though, syempre, may mga mas murang keyboard for this. But this is one of a kind. At kung gusto nyong kakaiba na keyboard, this is the one for you. If ever may questions kayo about this keyboard, don't be afraid to ask me down below at the comment section. Tatry ko yung best ko masagutan lahat yan. Or you can email me and follow me on Facebook. And if ever may questions kayo about this keyboard, don't be afraid to comment down below or email me or message me in my Facebook page or Twitter account. Sasagutin ko lahat yan. I will try my best to help you out on purchasing your keyboard. If not this one or other keyboard like this one, the ACO 3084, or whatever keyboard you have in mind, I will answer it for you guys. So, maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking review. And that's about it guys, and I'll see you in my next video.